I'm Susan Irby, the Bikini Chef. This is my custom chef coat. Today, I'm donning the black bikini with my black swim skirt. Today we're going to be cooking from one of my favorite cookbooks that I've written, and it's Substitute Yourself Skinny, where I take a lot of our favorite recipes and I slim them down with very simple ingredient swaps. The one we're going to do today is my pesto chicken sandwich. One of my favorite recipes in the book. It's super simple, really flavorful. You will love it. The original recipe was 479 calories per serving, and the Substitute Yourself Skinny Slim Down recipe is 234 calories. That 1 calorie counts. So let's get started, shall we? Recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of non-fat mayonnaise. Pesto is super yummy, but it can be highly fattening with a lot of oil and nuts. So we're just gonna do some basic ingredient swaps. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of non-fat yogurt. You could use kefir yogurt, you can use a non-dairy yogurt. Our next ingredient is fresh basil. All right, so we want a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped basil. So in it goes. Next up, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. When you're using your zester on cheeses, it's really best if the cheese is pretty chilled. It just gives it a nice clean zest. There we go. Guess what it's time for? Costume change. Part of what makes this recipe so delicious is roasted red bell peppers. So it calls for a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Not to want to eat one. So I'm going to. Delicious, really good for you. Lots of vitamins, lycopene, helps with digestion, immune system. You know, when you're chopping, take your knife and go down and forward. Chicken breasts these days are huge. So I sliced them in half, pan grilled them for about a couple minutes on each side, and then finished them in the oven. But portion control is bikini, very bikini. That's it. Those are all of our ingredients. Ready for assembly? I am. Well, our final ingredient is the toasted English muffin. This is whole wheat. So I'm gonna take about 1 tablespoon of our pesto, our grilled chicken breast. Then we're gonna take some of our roasted bell peppers, your pesto chicken sandwich. Substitute Yourself Skinny style. Really good. I wish you were here, but you too can make it. And I didn't mess up my apron. Visit theBikiniChef.com for more delicious bikini recipes, food tips, cooking tips, and visit the shop for aprons, kitchen tools, cookbooks, diet plans, and more. Have a bikini day.